Hi guys, welcome back. Alexandra here, and today we are doing a 16 stroke breath to rebuild your health. What better than to get to rebuild and revitalize our beautiful, incredible human bodies. So this breath works to rebuild the glandular system. It can also work to rid the body of toxins and rebuild yourself on a cellular level. So it goes deep. We're just going to do a few minutes today, but if you want to extend the practice, they say to practice up to 31 minutes. Don't go over that. So this is something that you could add in and practice, for a good amount of time and really go in there and move some energy. So we're going to work with the mantra Sa Ta Na Ma. Sa means birth, Ta means life, Na means transformation or death, and Ma means rebirth. So we're working with the elements, we're working with the cycles of life that we constantly go through in many different ways. We're constantly transforming. So we're going to work with that to go into our cells and just help them to transform, rebuild, and rebirth. Let's bring the hands together and we will tune in to get started. Tall spine. Roll the shoulders up and back and just take a big inhale through the nose. Hold the breath, stretch the spine. And exhale. And we'll inhale to tune in. Inhale. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale. And exhale. All right, so we're just gonna interlace the hands. They stay here at the heart center. Your two thumbs are gonna be on top. They're not crossed. They're just lying right next to each other. And you're just here at the heart center. Your elbows are relaxed down by your sides. You're going to inhale through the nose, and then you're also gonna exhale through the nose. We're gonna do 16 strokes on the inhale. So 16 inhales, and then 16 exhales out the nose. As we go, we're gonna mentally vibrate the Sa Ta Na Ma, Sa Ta Na Ma, Sa Ta Na Ma, Sa Ta Na Ma, and then exhale again all the way with the Sa Ta Na Ma. So you're gonna mentally run this incredible mantra through the mental body, and as we do the breath, we're gonna send that mantra, that sound code, that frequency of life, transformation, rebirth into our cells to help them rebuild, to help them cycle out the old, let go of the old. So this mantra goes in and it sound codes in that sort of way. And if we do it in the correct and focused way, we can really move a lot of energy. So, and just really bring healing to our system. Interlace, thumbs on top. It doesn't have a specific or a specified eye focus. So yogi's choice, you can either come with the eyes closed, focus at the tip of the nose, or rolled up and into the third eye point. So find that eye focus, whatever you're gonna use. And we'll start with the inhale. Here we go. And exhale. Keep going at your own pace. 16 strokes for the inhale, repeating the Sa Ta Nama, and then 16 strokes for the exhale with the Sa Ta Nama mantra running through the mental body, going into the bloodstream, going through, just circulating that mantra through your system. Keep going. We'll just be here for about another 90 seconds. And a big part of this segmented breath and marrying the breath with the mantra, it goes in and it really balances the elements in the body. It starts to work with our master glands and helps them secrete in a very specific way to go in and nourish the body. So you might start to feel yourself really relaxing on a deep cellular level. Might just feel like this subtle new movement, new circulation in the body. That is you rebuilding your health. That is you increasing the vibration and frequency of the rebuilding of these cells and just helping to direct the pattern and amplify the energy to help them do what they do best. The body, when given half a chance, can heal itself. So here you are, giving it that chance. Keep going. Less than a minute here. Inhale, hold the breath. Stretch the spine. Exhale. Again, inhale. Stretch the spine, let the eyes roll up and into the third eye. Take the tip of the tongue, touch the roof of the mouth with the tip of the tongue. Project up and out the crown, sending the energy up. Exhale. Last time, inhale. Big breath, let it circulate through the system. Hold. And as we exhale, we're going to let it come up and out the crown of the head, nourishing ourselves on that auric level. Inhale, stretch the arms up. And exhale. So I recommend trying this one on if you're going through any sort of health stuff. You can really do a lot with this breath if you just maybe use it as a daily practice. And here it's recommended maximum time 31 minutes, not to overdo it. But I would say, you could start with 3 to 5 minutes a day or work your way up to 11 minutes. So just a little bit goes a long way. Enjoy, and I will see you tomorrow. Sat Nam.